Hi guys, I haven't done a video in a while, so I know you're all missing it. But I want to do one on top 5 excuses. It might get the ball rolling for a lot of you. So let's start with the first one. It's when I speak to a lot of people, they say they haven't got any motivation. Right, so how would you get that motivation? Yeah, ask yourself that question. What about a training partner? I'll just put TP there. Training partner, they're going to push you. Yeah, so search within your friends, someone with the same abilities maybe, or someone who even are going to push you to another level maybe. Personal trainer, PT, yeah, they're good enough. Yeah, personal trainer's going to push you. Hopefully they've got some progressive plans in place, and you can see that progression, and it'll give you that feedback that you need. Yeah, that willingness to improve, I suppose. You could do fitness class, or boot camp. Yeah, all you have to do is turn up and they do the rest, don't they? They motivate you. You just have to step through the door, basically. You get all your kit on and then you're straight in. Let them motivate you instead. So we're almost cancelling out the motivation there because they do the motivation for you. So there's no need to worry. That's what I'm saying. So don't use that excuse. I've just totally, blown that excuse out of the water, basically. Yeah. Next one. 2. It's lack of time. Lack of time. Spelling and speed is going to be quick on here on this. Lack of time. There's no plans. 0 plans. You haven't structured or planned your week ahead. You could do a quick, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Write in work, nutrition, and then put your exercise in. An exercise could be a walk, by the way. It doesn't have to be any of those I mentioned above. But if you've got the motivation to go for a walk, then that's fine. But if you haven't, then you need to go back to that one. Yeah, lack of time. So lack of time could also be in social media, TV. Are you wasting 3 hours of your time? Exclamation mark. Doing nothing. A great challenge would be go about your day and write down all the wasted time that you actually, you're doing. You're actually not really doing a great deal there. So if you spend 2-3 hours on social media, couldn't you take an hour off that to do some exercise? Very important. So another one could be I'm too unfit to do something. I'm too unfit. On that one, I want to change the question around. What about saying, why don't you want to be fit? So if you say, why don't you want to be fit? That's just twisting around on a positive slant, isn't it? So you could say, I want to do it for my kids. I struggle walking up a hill. I don't want to do it anymore. I want to be walking, a couple of miles without getting out of breath. Do I work better on a one-to-one situation? So that I might need a PT for that then. Do I work better in a group? Am I going to have a laugh with a group? Then I might choose a boot camp or a fitness class. Something like that. Yeah. But another one, number 4, is, these are not in particular order by the way. Laziness. Yeah, we've all been there, we've all got that at some point. So laziness, you need to find out what your why is. Why you don't want to be lazy. Why you want to be fit. Link all these things in together, I suppose, for that one. What's going to make you get off that sofa? What's going to make you get out of bed? Where's the passion? Where's the excitement in your life? And is it exercise a part of that? You could even sort of do nutrition if you wanted. So let's say, for example, I don't like exercising. That's a simple fact. So what about saying, focus on nutrition instead? Focus, on nutrition, sleep, and being less stressed, and then watch the weight shoot off. Trust me. And then you could just go for walks instead. Long walks with a family, something like that. You don't have to be a part of a group or a boot camp or anything like that. Yeah, just trying to find the easiest way for you to get your life back really. And cool. Number 5, last one. I hear this quite often. Too windy, too cold, too dark. Those are all environmental issues and blame. So you're blaming everything on the environment and you won't do anything about that. So what can you do with that? Well, if you go into a class in a gym, if you go into a studio, they're going to have lighting, aren't they? So that one, that's gone. They're going to have a confined room, so the wind's gone. and they're going to have some, well, you're going to warm up anyway, so don't worry about if they've got any radiators on, you're going to warm up anyway, so, you know, I've blown that excuse out of the water again. So bit by bit, I'm sort of depicting and trying to get all these excuses out of your head and just give you that get up and go, right, tomorrow I'm going to do it, you know, have that sort of attitude. And I've got a free week of boot camp starting tomorrow, so a free week just to get your foot in the door and see if you like exercise or a group situation. Have a laugh, have a joke, get some fun, get some fitness. So tomorrow is a free week of boot camp starting 6:15 in the morning, but be bit there earlier, be 10 minutes earlier just to fill some forms out, and we've got 6:30 at night, again, be there 10 minutes earlier, yeah, so you can fill some forms out and go for it, yeah? Take advantage of this free week, guys. Alright, so good luck and I hope to see a lot of you there. It's going to be busy. Cheers, guys. Bye.